In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the Mailchimp form action URL. This is a crucial skill for anyone looking to embed a sign-up form onto their website, allowing you to seamlessly collect subscriber information. Let's dive into the process. First, open up your web browser and navigate to the Mailchimp homepage. If you don't already have an account, be sure to sign up and log in. Once you're on the main dashboard, you're going to see an option labeled Create at the top. Clicking on this will open up a menu of different options for creating campaigns. In this menu, you want to select Embedded Form. This type of form is perfect for integrating into your website, as it gives you the flexibility to customize HTML and tailor the form's design and functionality. After selecting the embedded form, look out for the Begin button and click on it. This action will take you to the form setup page where you can start customizing your form. Now, it's time to make sure this form fits your website's needs. You'll see various options for customizing the fields and design. Take some time to explore what each section offers, ensuring that you select the fields relevant to the information you want to gather from your subscribers. Once you're happy with the form's setup, the next step is crucial. Here you're going to look for the Continue button. Proceed by clicking it. This action is part of saving your form and generating the necessary code you'll need later. Immediately after continuing, focus on the Copy Code button that appears. This copy function captures the HTML code you'll embed in your web page, including the form action URL vital for your subscribers' data to correctly transfer into your Mailchimp account. Remember, this action URL is what ensures the data from your embedded form flows seamlessly to Mailchimp. Without it, the form won't function properly on your site. Once you have clicked Copy Code, you can safely paste it into your website's HTML. Depending on your content management system, this might involve going into your site's backend or template section where you handle HTML coding. Keep in mind the importance of ensuring your website supports embedded HTML, as this can affect how the form displays and functions. Always test the form after pasting the code to see if it appears correctly and gathers the submissions as expected. There you have it. You're now equipped to get Mailchimp's form action URL and embed forms onto your site like a pro. This simple integration provides a powerful boost to your marketing efforts, allowing you to capture leads and grow your audience efficiently. Thank you for following along today.